Hey everybody, welcome to the workshop. On today's episode is going to be about one of these. Now this is a Pica pencil, and the thing about these pencils is they come with like a 2mm thick lead. I think it's 2mm. It's a thick one. It's not the 0.5 or 0.7. And these are great because I like to do woodworking, and when I go to mark things, this right here just works better. Those 0.5 or 0.7, they break off too easy, and so I really like these. Now I have this one, but I also have white lead or white graphite or whatever material it is that I like to use for when I'm marking on walnut, because the regular black graphite is hard to see. Well, I was looking around and I managed to find a mechanical pencil from penstateind. It's basically the same thing as this, holds the same type of lead. So today I'm going to be making that. And for the wood, I'm going to be using this wood right here called palm wood. I've never used it before, but we'll see what it looks like when it gets done turning. So stick around today on Adam's Workshop. Hey everybody. All right, the project is now complete and it's looking pretty good. I like the brass. There's a nice weight to it, so it gives it a nice feel. The wood is darker than walnut, but it still looks real nice. Works really well. The lead on this one is smaller than the Pica pencil, so if you're interested in this kit, be aware of that. One other feature of this pen is that I can take the whole inside part out and this back part comes out. It is a pencil sharpener. Put your lead in there and you can sharpen your lead. Beat it on something to knock the stuff out. Push it back on. Reinsert it. Give it a little screw. And now you're ready to go again. So, nice kit. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, click on this video over here. If you want to learn more about Jesus, click on this video up here. Until next time, see y'all again next time in the workshop.